Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're diving into NordVPN, found at NordVPN.com. NordVPN has become a prominent name in the online privacy and security landscape. Its reputation is built upon a comprehensive feature set designed to protect your digital footprint. From its vast server network spanning the globe to its robust encryption protocols, NordVPN offers a multifaceted approach to safeguarding your online activities. One of NordVPN's standout features is its extensive network of servers. With thousands of servers distributed across numerous countries, users can easily connect to a server that best suits their needs, whether it's bypassing geo-restrictions or optimizing connection speeds. This wide server selection contributes to a more seamless and reliable browsing experience. Security is paramount in the digital age, and NordVPN addresses this with advanced encryption technology. Utilizing industry-standard encryption protocols, NordVPN shields your internet traffic from prying eyes, ensuring that your sensitive data remains confidential and protected from potential threats. Beyond its core functionality, NordVPN offers a range of additional features to enhance your online security and privacy. These include features like a kill switch, which automatically cuts off your internet connection if the VPN connection drops, preventing accidental data leaks. Furthermore, NordVPN offers specialized servers optimized for specific tasks, such as P2P file sharing and accessing the Tor network. NordVPN's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to users of all technical levels. The intuitive design simplifies the process of connecting to a server and configuring settings, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Whether you're a seasoned techie or a VPN novice, navigating NordVPN's interface is straightforward and intuitive. In an increasingly interconnected world, protecting your online privacy is more critical than ever. NordVPN provides a robust solution for safeguarding your digital presence, offering a comprehensive suite of features designed to enhance your online security and privacy. From its vast server network to its advanced encryption technology, NordVPN empowers users to take control of their online experience. Check it out at NordVPN.com and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.